everybody? Welcome back to the shop. We got all the body work wrapped up on the Acura Integra. Today we are painting it. I hope you guys really like my custom green. Check it out. So there it is, guys, the finished product. 2 layers of clear coat, looking really shiny. Loving this color. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely one off. Alright guys, so instead of going out and getting a new pair of 16s or 17s and spending $800 to $1,200, I'm just going to go ahead and primer these, base coat them with white, and possibly add clear. I'm not sure if I want a full clear finish or if I want the clear shiny look up here and just a somewhat of a matte finish on the wheels. Alright, here we are, getting ready to do the first coat of primer on the wheels. The best way to prep this is just a regular old Scotch-Brite, some dish soap. The main goal is just to get as much grease, if not all the grease, completely off the wheel and have the perfect surface for paint. Alright guys, here it is, the finished product. 2 coats of base, 1 coat of clear. I think it's looking pretty good, and I think this off-white almond, buckskin, whatever you want to call it, will contrast really good with my custom green. Now again, I'm not a professional painter. I don't have certificates. I didn't go to school. This is just my hobby. I'm always trying new things, and this is working out pretty good for me. I don't use an 80-gallon compressor. I don't use $1,000 guns. I just use this HVLP setup. You can find these on Craigslist, on Facebook Market, on eBay, from anywhere to $300 to $500, and they get pretty much the same results. Look at that. You can really see that gloss. I can't wait to put these on the car and show you guys the finished product. Now remember guys, if you go to your local paint stores, they always have returns, mismatched colors that didn't work out for people. They always have them on discount. You can scoop up 4 or 5 of them for the price of one, mix some colors, come up with something new. It'll save you a lot of money. What's going on guys? So there it is. I got the wheels mounted back on the car, and I must say I'm really liking this color combination. The off-white really contrasts with the custom green. Let me know what you guys think. Check it out. So there it is. 2 coats of base, 1 coat of clear. Really loving that off-white. Alright guys, so one of the last steps to finishing this paint job is going to be to cut it and buff it. I'm going to take some sandpaper, 1500 grit, sand it down, and I'm going to use a 3M polish to buff it out. And it'll have that glass-like finish, smooth surface. So I'm going to go ahead and do this wet sand, 1500 grit, and just a squirt bottle of water. Alright guys, so I went ahead and sanded the entire car down with 1500. Now I'm going to take my buffer, and for the first time I'm going to try out this Meguiar's. I usually use 3M, but I'm going to give this a shot because it's a little bit cheaper and I want to see what it can do. Alright guys, so check it out. This is just a 1500 sand, no polish. This is with the polish. So as you can see, it's quite a difference. You can barely even see the light. With the polish, you can pretty much see a glass finish. It's gonna look really, really good. Look at that. Polish, 1500. Check it out guys, there it is. All that residue looking a lot smoother. Look at that polish.